Hi all, and welcome to another video of our van build series. In this video I will cover the installation of the water filler and later the freshwater and greywater tanks. For the plumbing I used John Guest fittings and 12mm piping. The water tanks were purchased from Atlas Tanks. The 90 litre freshwater tank was purchased off the shelf, whilst the 35 litre greywater tank I've had custom made. The water filler has two options for filling the tank, either via a hose or jerry can directly into the large port, or via a hose hookup and redirecting to the tank using a splitter and tap. I also fitted a drain tap so that I could empty the tank whilst not in use. From the tank I have a 12 volt pump when the main supply is not available. In the system I have a few non-return valves. This prevents the water from entering a pipe that is not in use. So when hooked up to the main supply, I don't want the water to go to the tank via the pump path, and when using the pump I don't want it to flow to the water filler. I added an additional non-return valve to the lowest point of the pump line so that the pump is always primed. At the sink I used a mixer that takes both hot and cold water, but since I am only using cold water I hooked both the hot and cold connections to my supply line via a splitter. That way, no matter which way I turn the mixer, hot or cold, I always get water. The sink drains directly into the greywater tank. At first, I incorporated a loop in the pipe that served as an S-bend to prevent smells from coming back up the pipe. However, this in turn created an airlock that prevented the sink from draining properly. Having it drain straight down helps the water drain fast and I haven't noticed any smells. I also make sure to drain the tank whenever it's not in use. I fitted a drain valve to the greywater tank so that I could drain it whenever I required. I also had inspection ports added to each tank. I requested to have them installed at the bottom, but they arrived with them at the top, which means I need to drop the tanks to get access. I guess they thought they couldn't get a good enough seal if they were on the bottom and would leak. Probably right. But anyway, dropping the tanks once a year to clean is not a big deal. For the level sensors I went with ultrasonic types, as they are supposed to be very reliable.
Okay, are you doing now?
Yeah, I'm just getting all prepared.
Yeah.
I need some more masking tape.
Here, masking tape.
No, this big one, I don't need more of this one.
This is the big one. You don't have okay. You don't have big one. You need to go to bond it together.
Yeah, I need to get other stuff from things as well. I have screws for this thing.
You cut a lot of hole. That's all the hole you cut.
Oh, and there's another one, the roof is got to be done, that's it. That's a small one. Say that big. I won't do that until I know where the stuff's going to go.
Well, what's that hole for?
The solar panels.
Oh.
I can't do that yet.
Until you get solar panel.
Well, not until I know. Well, not really. Not until I get the awning. I don't know how. What. I don't know where solar panels can go. Pain.
Why need to put a mark around there?
This is not. This is sticky to collect all the metal filing to do it. So they don't fall down inside there.
Oh.
Okay, I'll do this one first. Yeah?
Let me know if you need me to hold it.
Doesn't look right.
Hmm?
Doesn't look right.
You cut the wrong side. Huh?
Put a scratch in there.
Oh, really? Oh, that's not good.
Well, that's the last hole, so I don't need to worry about.
Not much at all now. Huh? Is it perfect now?
A little bit more.
A little bit more, okay. Is it thick now?
A little bit more.
Still not thick?
Better.
Thick?
Yeah.
Okay, that looks good. You need a stick on it.
I will. I might test fit the hose.
Yeah, I'm coming to help you.
On the inside,
Coming inside, yeah?
push that up against me. No, wait. Back away. Wait. Go like that. Now that wood's going to pop out, so can you push the wood back towards me?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. It doesn't fit anyway.
You're not filling now, right?
Yeah, I am.
What do you use it?
This edge.
Huh?
This whole edge.
How long take you so I can take it?
Not long, just do this.
Okay. Have you done the things around the things so they're not
I'm blind, I can't see things. Everything's just blurry now. Okay, now, detergent. See
clean
how-
up?
Well, it doesn't stick to my finger that way.
Oh,
So I can get a nice smooth edge.
good idea, huh? How long take them dry? Should be really quick, especially with hot weather.
I don't know. That one again. Pushed all out.
Do you need to seal inside or just outside?
It's outside.
Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. Happy to respond if you leave your comments below. In our next video, we'll be installing the water tanks. In the meantime, you can check out our previous videos. Bye for now.